industrial city of Havenswood, the system of law is a complex tapestry woven from centuries-old traditions and evolving societal norms. Shaped by the diverse cultural landscape and the presence of enigmatic communities like the Malarites, the legal framework strives to maintain order while accommodating the intricacies of beliefs and practices within the city. Common Law Foundation. The foundation of Havenswood's legal system lies in common law principles, a framework developed through precedent, statutes, and customary practices. These laws govern various aspects of daily life, encompassing criminal offenses, property rights, contracts, and civil disputes. The city's legal code unequivocally prohibits unwarranted violence and murder, emphasizing the sanctity of life as a fundamental principle. However, recognizing the unique presence of the Malarites and their distinct cultural practices, the legal code includes provisions addressing the intricacies of their religious beliefs while establishing strict boundaries to uphold public safety and ethical standards. Regulations for Malarite practices. One of the primary considerations within the legal framework revolves around the ceremonial practices of the Malarites and their hunts. These hunts are specialized gatherings conducted by Malarite followers, often involving ritualistic hunts or offerings in honor of their deity, Malar, the Beast Lord. The legal code delineates specific provisions to regulate and monitor these practices. While hunting and ceremonial offerings are allowed under strict guidelines, the Malarites are forbidden from slaying the young or the pregnant, aligning with broader societal values that safeguard vulnerable populations. Permits and oversight. Malarite hunts require specialized permits issued by designated religious authorities or a specialized branch of law enforcement. These permits undergo rigorous scrutiny, ensuring compliance with the prescribed guidelines. Oversight measures are in place to monitor the activities of the hunts, preventing deviations from approved rituals that might endanger public safety or contravene ethical boundaries. Specialized units within the law enforcement apparatus are tasked with understanding and monitoring the nuances of the Malarites' rituals. Liaison officers facilitate communication between Malarite leaders and city governance, fostering understanding and addressing potential conflicts or grievances that may arise between the Malarita community and legal authorities. Legal consequences and punishments. The legal system responds swiftly and decisively to any transgressions or deviations from the prescribed guidelines. Punishments for violations, whether committed by Malarites or any other citizens, are severe and intended as a deterrent against such actions. These consequences may range from heavy fines and imprisonment to banishment from the city, contingent upon the severity of the offense and its impact on public safety. Balancing cultural diversity and legal framework. The integration of Malarite practices within the legal system reflects the city's attempt to balance religious freedoms with societal norms and ethical considerations. It emphasizes a nuanced approach, acknowledging the cultural diversity that defines Havenswood while upholding the rule of law as a fundamental pillar in maintaining order and harmony within the city.